Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's special recipe on the fish curry. There are many ways to make fish curry, but I am going to show you the best version and easy way to make fish curry. Let's get into ingredients. Onions chopped, 2 big ones. Green chilies, 4 slit into half. Cardamom pods, 3. Cloves, 7 to 8. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon. Red chilies, 3 to 4. Coriander seed, 2 tablespoons. Fenugreek seed, 1 teaspoon. Coconut powder, 2 tablespoons. Chili powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons. Ginger and garlic, 50 grams each. And 1 cup of tamarind juice. Let's prep the masala for fish curry. First, let's heat up the pan on low heat. Add coriander seed. Toast it for 30 seconds. Now add cloves and give it a stir. Then add cardamom pods. Stir it again. And then add poppy seeds. Give it a stir. Now add red chilies and mix it well until it's changed color. Once it's changed color, turn off the stove and let it cool. Once it cools off, add it to a mixer jar. Now grind it to a fine powder. Looks like our powder is fine enough. Now I'm gonna add ginger and garlic to the mixer and grind it all together like a paste. Now it looks like it needs some water to get paste. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water, not too much, and grind it. Now it looks like a paste, so put it in a bowl and set aside. Now let's get cooking. Heat up the pan on high heat. Add 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Fish curry requires a little bit of extra oil so it tastes better. Once the oil is hot enough, add the onion. Stir it for 2 minutes until the onion starts releasing water. Add some green chilies in it. It's just optional. I like green chilies. When it's soaked in the fish sauce, it tastes so good. It's just optional. You can have it, you can opt it. It's up to you. Now put the lid on and cook it for 5 minutes. Now take the lid off and give it a quick stir. salt according to your taste, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it all well together. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili powder. Now mix it all together well until the chili powder incorporated. Now add thick tamarind juice. Give it a quick stir. Now add 6 cups of water. Put the lid on and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to boil, take the lid off and add the masala we previously made. Mix it all well together and bring it to the boil. Once it comes to the boil, add the cleaned fish. Once you add the fish, mix it gently. Now put the lid on and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you stir the fish gently after 10 minutes. I'm saying gently because you don't want to break the fish. After cooking 20 minutes, take the lid off and add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder. And 2 tablespoons of coconut powder. Mix it well without disturbing the fish. Now put the lid on and cook it for 2 more minutes. Now take the lid off and add freshly chopped cilantro. Mix it all well together. Now turn off the stove and let it cool before you serve. Ideally, I would recommend to eat this the next day. It tastes so much better. Try this recipe at home. I'm sure you would love this. And thanks for all your love and support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And I'll see you in the next video.